What's up guys, welcome to the Xperimental tube, the place where we make and break stuff. Today I will test the Z-axis for my HyperCube build. I got some comments that might be that case that the NEMA 17s are not strong enough to lift the platform up and down. That's what we'll test today. I will test it by powering it through the Duet Wi-Fi and the 24 volts. So let's go with that. Okay, go.
According to the Duet Wi-Fi wiki, we should install Prontoface first. In my case, I will go for the latest Windows version, the zip file. After downloading, I will extract it and put it in my documents. When installed, we can start it and start using it. First thing we do is we check our COM port and baud rate and then connect to the board. When checking the wiki, we should give the command M552S1. This is to start the Wi-Fi options of the board. When the Wi-Fi function has started, it will give the confirmation that Wi-Fi is running, and you should be able to find the Duet Wi-Fi network in your network settings and connect with it. Once you've connected to the Duet Wi-Fi, you can go to the IP address of 192.168.1.1. In my case, I could not reach the website, so I put my Windows network check in place, and eventually it found the problem and reset the adapter, and then it worked. Once this is done, you will get a website where you can choose your local Wi-Fi network and you can enter the password. When this is finished, the Duet board needs to reboot, and you click save and reboot, and then you're done. You can reboot the Wi-Fi part of the board by getting the command M552S0, and then you can restart it again by making it S1 again. Once the board has been rebooted, it will give you the IP address where it has been registered on your own network. In my case, that's the 108 on the end. Then you connect to your own Wi-Fi network again and go to the IP address that your Duet Wi-Fi has been given. When you're in the website of your Wi-Fi board, in the settings you should change the config.g file, and you should uncomment the part where it automatically stops from booting with Wi-Fi on. In my case, though, it didn't need any changes, so I left it. It's this comment. It's the 552 S1, so it should automatically turn on the network. Hit save, and then it needs to reboot again. After rebooting, you can check and go to the IP address that you've gotten and see if everything is working, and look into the nice interface and play around a little bit.
As you can see, I've also removed the Z-axis spindle bearings because I don't think we really need them. So keep it simple, stupid, or keep it stupid, simple. So I removed them, don't need them, will not be using them. Okay, now I will prepare the power supply with the cord and connect it to the duet board. So let's get on with it. Let's have a good look. Okay, so I've got the 600 watts, 24 volts power supply. Make sure your voltage, AC voltage, is set correct. Mine's set for 230, that's exactly what I need here in this part of the world. Then here we've got the adjust. We can adjust the DC voltage a little bit. 3 terminals plus, 3 terminals minus, ground, AC neutral, AC line. So let's connect it. First I'll put AC line. Just put them in there, don't use any lugs or something at the moment, because this is just for testing purposes. Okay, neutral, AC neutral. And also very important, the ground, that's your safety. Okay, fan starts to run, the small LED lights up. Let's have a look what we've got voltage wise. Okay, plus on the right side. Okay, so that's a little bit too much. 28 volts is a little bit too much, so let's have a look how we can adjust it. So the maximum voltage of the duet is 25 volts or something, so I think I'll make it 23 volts. This is not going any lower, so 23.2. I can live with that, that's a good value, I think. Okay, now let's connect it to the duet Wi-Fi. Make sure that you get the right connector, power in, and not the bed heater, so we use power in. The right side says plus, V in, so we'll connect the brown wire over there, that's the plus. Okay. Minus goes to minus or negative, depends how you want to call it. And triple check, because you don't want to blow up the board. So brown plus, negative, minus, blue, minus, negative, blue. Okay, ground. Here we go, ready. Okay, so even on my phone it says, oop, come on, turn, it says connected, so oop. We're in business for that case. I was having some doubts here in the shed with my Wi-Fi, so, but it's okay. It's okay, we'll manage. Now we can connect the two motors and give it a real test. Okay, for this test I will be using these connectors. We'll go quick and dirty. I will not even solder them. Just cut them. Make sure that I've got enough. And then twist them into the other wires, and then use some duct tape for isolation, and then I can connect them to the Wi-Fi board. So that's extremely quick and dirty. Okay, so they're kind of fixed right now. This is only temporarily. Never I will do something like this for any permanent things. It's only for this test I will do it in this way. Okay, so according to the website from Duet, there's this connection diagram. Start with red on the first engine, or the first motor engine. Yay, we got it. Okay, let's power it up. First tests, let's try something. Home all. Doesn't seem to do it. Okay, let's go for emergency stop. So first test, what I'll do now, I've lifted the heat bed. So the motors are not attached to the spindles anymore, and I've blocked the spindles from dropping down. Let's have a look if they turn the right direction. That's weird. That's really weird. Motors they feel locked. They're not doing anything. I'm guessing color coding on the motors is not what they should be. I will check this first. Have a look in the pairs of wires. So, let's have a look. The red one and the green one, nope, red one, and the black one, nope, the red one, and the blue one, nope, blue one. Yeah. Okay, so red and blue. And then green. Come on. Red and blue, black and green. So let's connect these and then hopefully it will be better. It's probably not the official way to go, but with a G28Z code, when I hit enter, motors start to turn. It's probably not the official way, but I'll use it for now. Okay, let's have a look if it will go up. Got like probably 3 kilos on top. So let's give it the code G28Z. And let's have a look. That looks like a mess. I need some help. Okay, let's give it another try without any additional weight. Here we go. Okay, so now it goes up nicely. I think I'll need to change some engines, some motors. So let's try again with this 1 kilo and extinguisher, fire extinguisher. Let's give this one a try. Okay. That seems to be on the limit. So I think I'll just order a little bit stronger motors and we'll see what happens with these. Okay, so next episode will be new motors. If you already haven't, like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.